What's up everyone? Yep, this is not a VW. So, back to this old girl. It's been a long time. So, a little bit of an update. She now is completely road legal. All the registration and everything's been carried out and it's all done and dusted. But, two problems. One, starter motor is acting hinky, and so that's away for refurbishment. The other one is that she keeps losing brake fluid and we have no idea where it's going. Now obviously this doesn't have a brake booster or anything, so it's not like it's been sucked back through the brake booster and into the engine and burned. So I've just come from the Newark Auto Jumble swap meet, so I thought I'd swing by and just have a crawl around and just take a quick look, see if I can see anything obvious. So yeah, that's what I'm here to do. So first thing, I'm looking for drips underneath, and I can see a few here and there, but I don't know if they're off this or off something else, because there's a lot of things around here that leak. So let's just have a scooch under. Does look fresh. What is that? Oh, that's engine oil, so but I can't see anything. Obviously the brake doodah's up here. Let's see if I can see anything, any drips, any leaks or anything like that. Just anything seeping onto the frame. Just get my hand up here. There's brake pipes coming up there. Yeah, everything up there. I don't know if you can see this. I don't even know if you will be able to see it, but the master cylinder up there and everything up here. It's all bone dry. There's nothing under there leaking, so I'm just gonna have a crawl around anyway. Just go around just all the pipe fittings and everything. Just make sure they're all nice and tight, and just see what I can see. I've been around the entire Jeep. Can't find anything. Couple of the fittings I got a little bit of a turn on, but it wasn't really enough to make a difference. They're just not leaking out of there. I mean, there's absolutely nothing. This is just bone dry underneath, and I've been through every fitting, every flexi hose, rubber hose. I've gone all over the master cylinder. I haven't taken the wheels off, but if it was losing fluid out of the slave cylinders, the wheel cylinders, it will be obvious around the bottoms of the drums, but they're not. They're just bone dry. I mean, there's just no evidence of fluid leaking out, but it's going somewhere. And it's not. It's happening when it's standing, and that's the problem. It's when it stands that's when it loses fluid, and it's bizarre and perplexing. That's my word for today. Anyway, I'm going to put some more fluid in, and I want to see, last time I did this, there was fluid in the lines. It was just the actual cylinder itself. Because one of the things I thought was the seal on top of the cap just not sealing correctly. And I mean, these are bouncy old things. You certainly, they'll rattle your fillings loose. But I had thought, is it possible that fluid's getting thrown about inside the master cylinder and it's just seeping out around the seal? But again, it's bone dry. There's just no indication of fluid coming out of anywhere. So anyway, let's get some more put in and we'll take it from there. Well, I don't know if you can see in there or not, probably not. But yeah, master cylinder is it's dry. So yeah, let's get some fluid in and see what we can do with this. Again, it's it's got me beat. I really don't know where this fluid is going. And I'm not the only one that's looked at this. There's been about 5 other people, like proper Jeep guys as well, not just me learning to work on them, but proper Jeep aficionados, and they can't find where the fluid's going either. They've been over it, and they've all said we cannot find anything wrong. But obviously it's going somewhere, so let's get some fluid in, and yeah, let's just start putting some pressure on the brake pedal and just see if we can just figure something out, for goodness sake. Oh, that's right, you can swear on YouTube now, can't you? Well, hey. Well, I've been around everything, I've tightened everything up best I can. I mean, you can't go too wild on these or you're going to start stripping stuff out, so I've went over every union, I've bled them up again, so all we can do is just leave it again, see what happens. I mean, I'm not here, I'm only here for a couple of hours, so I don't have time to start stripping the whole lot down. And yeah, I don't know what else to do. I do not know what else to do. So it needs to be running, it needs to be on the road. Yeah, it's like I say, the new starter I think is on its way. I haven't actually looked, it might be on there, I don't know. But there is a new starter going on it one way or another. Well, reconditioned new. But yeah, so I honestly don't know. I know I've said that multiple times, but it's, you know, like I say, it's had a lot of people scratching their head. But yeah, like I said, this is just going to be a short little video. You know, there's not a lot more I can do on it. So yeah, that's it. 5 minutes, I think. So there you go. It's nice to see the old girl. You know, have a walk around her. She's got all her livery and everything on now. All of her obviously license plate up there, which is required. And but yeah, everything's been done on the canvas work and everything. Anyway, like I said, this was just going to be a quick little video, so thanks for watching, take care and have a good one.